Okay, and whereabouts do they come from?
Bangladesh.
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 So they're from Bangladesh.
All of them from Bangladesh.
From Bangladesh.
But
I'm here on Whitechapel Road in East London. It's come to my attention that there
পূর্ব
are
লন্ডনের
dozens
হোয়াইট
of
চ্যাপেলে
businesses
বাংলাদেশি
on this road
মালিকানাধীন বিভিন্ন
registered
ব্যবসা
as
প্রতিষ্ঠানে
skilled
গিয়ে
worker
স্কিলড
visa
ওয়ার্কার
sponsors.
ভিসা
That
নিয়ে
means
প্রশ্ন
these
তুলছেন
businesses
কনজারভেটিভ
can work
এমপি ক্রিস
outside.
ফিলিপস।
So we've now found 5 or 6 of these skilled worker visa sponsors just on this one little stretch of Whitechapel Road. So I'm now going to go into one and find out what's going on. Let's go. Hello, my name's Chris. I'm a Member of Parliament. I'm doing some research into skilled worker visa sponsors, and I noticed this business here, in common with many others on the street, is registered to sponsor.
হোম অফিসের কঠোর যাচাই বাছাই ও আইনি প্রক্রিয়া মেনেই এসব ব্যবসা প্রতিষ্ঠানে কর্মী নিয়োগ করা হলেও এমপির এমন ভিডিও প্রকাশকে রাজনৈতিক উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত এবং পুরো কমিউনিটিকে আলাদাভাবে লক্ষ্যবস্তু বানানোর কৌশল হিসেবে দেখছেন সমালোচকরা।
A grocery store. Okay. And would you say the work being done here is skilled work?
I don't know skilled work. What is this?
You don't know. You don't know. This business here is registered as a sponsor for skilled worker visas. Well, behind me is the UK Fish and Meat Bazaar, another skilled worker visa sponsor. Let's head inside.
দেশীয় সবজির স্বাদ উপভোগ করুন ইফকো ব্র্যান্ডের সঙ্গেই থাকুন।
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Chris. I'm a Member of Parliament. I'm doing some research onto skilled worker visa sponsors, and I understand this business is registered to sponsor skilled worker visas. Do you know how many people work here in total?
7 people here. 7 people.
7 people. And do you know how many have come in from outside the country recently?
There's one here.
Okay, and whereabouts do they come from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And how long have they worked here for?
So over a year and a half. Year and a half, I think.
A year and a half. Okay. And is that skilled work, would you say?
It is skilled.
Here outside Maz Bazaar, let's find out what's going on in here. Hello. Also, my name's Chris. I'm a Member of Parliament. I'm doing some research into skilled visa sponsors, and this business is, in common with many others on the street, sponsors skilled visas. And wondered if you could tell me a bit about how many people work here and how many people have come here recently.
for the work permit, you mean?
Yeah. How many people work here in total? Looks quite busy.
It's like 24, 25 people.
Okay, so it's busy.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many would you say have come in the last 5 years?
6 of them, I think.
Okay. And which countries?
And most of them, some of them they're here, all of them from Bangladesh.
From Bangladesh.
But some of them they from here. They already before somehow they come here, maybe student visa or something.
Okay.
And thereafter they join with us.
Would you say the work being what kind of work is being done here? It obviously looks like a kind of supermarket or.
Is it? We have as someone helping the shelving. So
Yeah.
you can,
And would you say the work being done here is skilled work? People like doing the shelf stacking and.
they're basic. And
Yeah.
They're basic. They are obviously not skillful workers.
Yeah. So on this street, Whitechapel Road, there are dozens and dozens of businesses registered as skilled worker visa sponsors.
যুক্তরাজ্যে বসবাসরত প্রবাসী বাংলাদেশিরা বলছেন কোনো অনিয়ম থাকলে তা দেখার দায়িত্ব হোম অফিসের। তবে পুরো একটি কমিউনিটিকে সন্দেহের চোখে দেখা সমাজে বিভাজন তৈরি করতে পারে।
And in these bazaars, the skilled worker visa route is clearly being abused on an industrial scale. We need to reform the system so there is no low-skilled immigration whatsoever, and only people with genuinely high levels of skills can come into our country.
Running a restaurant? Your food deserves the spotlight. Currywalla Media. Let's make your food famous.